Hi, you might be excellent at grammar and wonderful at vocabulary, but if your pronunciation is not good, everything goes for toss. What's pronunciation? It refers to how you say words and make sounds when you speak a language. It's all about getting the right sounds and rhythms when you talk. Example, park. How do you pronounce park? It's not park, it's park. You're supposed to pronounce it as park. Car. No, it's car. Car. See, most of the people they interchangeably use accent with vocabulary, but both are quite different things. In which case I made separate video on accent. You can go through that. Okay. So in this video I have collated most frequently mispronounced words. Okay, which we use in our day-to-day life. So before that, this is the first time you're watching this channel, so please do subscribe, like, and share Mission Fluent English. Yes, this is Mangi Chaitanya Kumar, and I'm on a mission to change these 5,000 lives by year 2025. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into this. Entrepreneur. No, it's entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. A person who starts and runs a business. He is a successful entrepreneur. Jewelry. No, it's jewelry. Jewelry. Decorative items worn as personal adornment. She wore beautiful jewelry to the party. Restaurant. Sorry, it's restaurant. Restaurant. A restaurant is a business that prepares and serves food and drinks to customers. She works as a chef at a 5-star restaurant in Delhi. Chocolate. Sorry, it's chocolate. Chocolate. A sweet brown treat made from cocoa. I love dark chocolate with nuts. Photography. Sorry, it's photography. Photography is the art of capturing images through the use of a camera. Her passion for photography led her to travel the world. Hour. Sorry, it's hour. An hour is a unit of time equal to 60 minutes or 3,600 seconds. They spent an hour at the gym. Almond. It's almond, a type of tree, a nut. Almonds are a healthy snack. Pomegranate. Sorry, it's pomegranate. It's a fruit with a tough outer rim and juicy seed-filled interior. I love to sprinkle pomegranate seeds on top of my yogurt. Guava? No, it's guava. Guava. It's a tropical fruit that grows on the guava tree. The guava tree on our backyard produces a delicious and fragrant fruit. Mischievous. Sorry, it's mischievous. Mischievous. Playfully causing trouble or mischief. The mischievous child grew on the walls. Miscellaneous. Sorry, it's miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Consisting of various diverse items. The box contains a miscellaneous item. Garage. It's garage. A garage, a part of building to park vehicles. Vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, or bicycles. It's not vehicles, it's vehicles. I park my car in the garage to keep it safe from the rain. Niche. Sorry, it's niche. Niche. A specialized or narrow area of interest, expertise, or market. She found her niche in the field of dance. Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. The 4th day of the week. We have a meeting on Wednesday. Thank you. That's all for the video, guys. We'll meet up in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Take care.